Right, so here we are, my 78 Bronco. It's been sitting for several years. Finally gonna get around to start fixing it back up. Hopefully get it on the road, get it going down the road, and get it to keep it from rotting away anymore. Still in pretty good shape, but can use a bunch of work. We got the dash tore apart, switching out put a digital gauge in there. Started with this one here that wasn't happy with how that was going to mount, so I ended up ordering a different one that's got more of a classic look. Looks more like the original cluster, but that's going to be a while getting in. Should be a pretty good project though. I'm excited to get started on it. Not real mechanical, but I'm going to work at it and do as much as I can by myself. We'll see how it goes.